Just 2 drops, only 2 drops will transform your skin, no matter the age you are. Like this picture you are seeing on the cover of this video is showing that any age can apply this remedy and look younger. This is a very powerful anti-aging recipe. I'll be telling you some ingredients that you can mix together to get rid of those wrinkles and fine lines effectively without any side effect, purely natural. Hello everyone, you're welcome back. So in today's video, like the title says, I'm going to be showing you 1 or 2 things to add together, just few drops, to fade away wrinkles, fine lines, laugh lines, to get rid of dry skin and rejuvenate your skin, making it to look far younger than your age. So in case you're new here for the first time, you're so welcome. Kindly check out other videos of mine. They will help you in one way or the other to transform your skin, to make you look younger. Consider subscribing so that anytime I upload videos, you get to see and come and watch. Also like this video and share this video. I made a very powerful remedy that will help to get rid of those wrinkles, but you have to be consistent. Like being consistent, I mean, is you have to follow the instructions. If it states use every day, you have to use every day. If it says use 2 times weekly, 3 times weekly, just be consistent and you look younger. Check out other videos of mine. You will notice that I'm looking far younger compared to before, and that is because I've been using these remedies for a very long time, and the more you use, the more you'll be looking younger and younger always. So if you have a very good skincare product, after this remedy you can apply your skincare product like your facial cream, your body treatment, and you see your skin looking so beautiful. People will be shocked. So the first ingredient I made this of is aloe vera, and that is because aloe vera gel is very healthy when it comes to skin. It helps to rejuvenate your skin. It helps to stop dry skin. It gets rid of anything flaky, dry skin or dull skin. It helps to moisturize the skin, to make it look fresh, smooth and beautiful. Another thing I love about aloe vera is that it gets rid of sunburn, but you have to mix with something else to make it treat sunburn. So aloe vera will not only help to moisturize and hydrate, it will help to keep you looking younger by fading away those wrinkles and fine lines with other ingredients, of course. So the next one I made this of is egg. If you do not like egg, you have to start liking it now, because when it comes to making it to look younger, it does that and more. We are using the egg whites. Egg white contains collagen as well as protein with other nourishing ingredients that will help greatly to rejuvenate your skin, to revive your skin, to firm your skin. Yes, it's very firming, helping to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines. So you have to use egg whites, very important. If you have a dry skin, include the egg yolk. Egg yolk is that yellow part of egg, of a raw egg. Okay, that is the egg yolk, and egg yolk helps to smoothen the skin, soften, glows the skin, moisturize the skin. So if you have a dry skin, include the egg yolk. So we're using egg white only because of wrinkles and fine lines. So the next one is glycerin. Here is vegetable glycerin, and why vegetable glycerin is because vegetable glycerin is very natural, it's more original, okay, than other form of glycerin. Glycerin helps to lock in moisture into the skin, preventing dryness, preventing dull skin. Like your skin will glow and shine through no matter the complexion you have. This is very important for those that have wrinkles, especially if you have dry skin. It will help to soften, smoothen and make your skin look so healthy and beautiful. So try to get glycerin. Any brand is okay. So the next one is honey. Honey helps to firm the skin. I love it a lot. You want to try if it works or not, just rinse your face or wash it, apply only honey. When it gets dry, you will notice your skin will feel tighter, and that is how to show you that this is very firming. Adding with other ingredients will make your skin look younger. So not only to firm, honey helps to moisturize, hydrate and also to glow your skin. You will love it. Honey is a very powerful humectant that helps greatly to lock in moisture into the skin, keeping your skin supple, fresh and beautiful always. After getting all these ingredients, the 4 ingredients, it's time to mix properly. I will tell you the measurement right now. I added 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, separated the egg white from the egg yolk, and added in here. So in case your skin is very dry, over dry, include the egg yolk, okay? But without that, only this is very moisturizing because of other ingredients I added. All right, so make sure you separate the egg white from the egg yolk. Take only that stretchy part, the transparent liquid, which is the egg white. Then I added few drops of glycerin because I have an oily skin. If you have severe dry skin or other skin type, just add half tablespoon of glycerin, is okay. Then I added half tablespoon of honey. As you can see, the color will tell you that the honey is not so much. I just added half tablespoon and I'm all good. So you have to mix together, remove all makeups from your face. Of course, you don't want any makeup, you don't want any debts, so that this remedy will be able to penetrate well and work better. So I don't have any debts. I've washed off debts and makeup from my face. I don't use makeup. So I love natural self, my natural self. Though I have some few blemishes, but it's fading away. You can hardly see it. And I will never stop using this remedy because it helps greatly to firm the skin, to make skin look supple, well rejuvenated, well moisturized, and younger. You have to try this remedy. You will love it. So wash off all makeups, all debts, so that this remedy will penetrate well. So I'm going to show you right now how to apply it on your face and neck for best result. Do not say egg smells somehow, egg smells somehow. This is very effective. So you have to know the benefits. The benefits outweigh the smell. And this is not something you will apply and leave it on forever. Just apply it, leave it on for some time, wash it out. The smell of egg whites will not be there forever. Of course, it's just for a few minutes and you're all good. So if you want to have a supple, plump face, to get rid of those dry, flaky face, try this remedy. Come and thank me later. So this remedy is not exchange to your skincare, like your facial cream, your facial serum, your face soap, or your face wash. This is just a face care, like a foundation, before other things will start working for you. Please do not forget to include under your eye. It helps to take away those eye wrinkles. It works. So go on and apply it on your neck, all over your body if you want. So the remain of this remedy, you can store it in the fridge maximum of 5 days. Flash it out and make another one. So as it's drying, you notice the firming effect of your skin, and that is to show you that it's working. Yeah, it's working. So I'm going to leave it on for 15-20 minutes to penetrate well and dry. After that, I'll wash it out. I'll be right back. So after washing it out, you notice that your skin will glow, glowing freshness, and that is immediate. With consistency, that is when the remedy will start working to get rid of those wrinkles and fine lines. You see your face looking so supple, so rich, so healthy, and that is to show you that it's working. Yes, you have to be consistent, using it 3 times weekly or twice weekly for effective results. So after using this remedy, you have to apply a light moisturizer to lock in moisture into the skin to prevent future dryness. So this remedy is very effective, more healthier than Botox, more healthier than fillers. You have to try a natural way, and you see your skin looking better and better always. We have a very good skincare product if you want to purchase, very natural, very safe, no chemicals in it, okay, no side effects. So contact through that WhatsApp and I will give you a very good skin firming products from face to toe. Okay, just tell us your skin type and complexion and I'll give you what will suit your skin. You will love it. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video, and also like this video. I'll see you in my next video.